They call this low-impact fitness and high-impact friendship. As for their leader, they call him a dinkum, one of a kind.
Murray, what a man, what a man.
Without Murray, I do not know where we'd be.
Their common thread, Murray included, they're all staring down prostate cancer.
When I was first diagnosed, he was my first port of call.
He's corralled you all and made you one.
He's got us together.
One nice group of blokes.
Yep, one nice group of blokes.
He's just right in behind it. He lives and breathes prostate cancer in Marlborough. Just a wonderful, wonderful person, and we've all got the utmost respect for him. We stay positive, we keep one another honest.
All he wants is your friendship, and be as well as we can, and do as good as we can. He is the ultimate tonic. Every town should have a Murray, and he's not allowed to go anywhere else other than Blenheim.
He can't come to Auckland?
Can't come to Auckland at all.
Ever?
Yeah, ever.
Murray thoroughly deserves it. His absolute passion for all of us is, you cannot measure it. He's just an absolute marvel.
There's only one Murray.
Good old Muzz.
You're right, good old Muzz. He's the man.
Here he is, Action Man Murray. Or more correctly, Murray,
The prostate man of Marlborough.
That's me.
Murray, I've been told that you are an absolute constant for men who are dealing with prostate cancer. Those who are looking for a bit of support, maybe some companionship. Am I right so far?
You are. I do my best. We're all amongst friends.
And you keep them moving as well.
We do, us oldies.
Murray, I'm Michael from 7 Sharp, and you may have heard of our ASB Good as Gold segment.
Yes.
Well, my boy, I'm tickled to tell you that you are our latest ASB Good as Gold recipient.
Oh, thank you. But these are the guys. I'm just one of them.
For being that compassionate, energised big brother to dozens and dozens of men who are just looking for a little bit of support.
Oh, thank you, but I'm just part of the team.
I think you might be the leader of the team too, Murray. So, to celebrate, the ASB is sending you $10,000.
What? Wow, really?
And we're hoping that you might use that to give yourself a bit of a treat and maybe put some towards the support programs that you're running.
Oh, without a doubt. Without a doubt. Without a doubt.
And as someone who's on his own prostate cancer journey, my sincere respect and admiration. Well done, that man.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Very proud but very humbled as well. I don't take acknowledgement easily because it's not about me, it's about the guys and their families. That's where I get my pleasure from. And the camaraderie just envelops them, which is fantastic. It inspires me, it does, I love it.
there's power in sharing.
There's huge power in sharing. Knowledge is power. We're all happy to share our story if it helps another man.
Looking at them, I'd describe them as just a jolly good bunch.
They're a jolly amazing group who support each other with all the trials and tribulations that they have with their treatment. Our average age usually is about 76 to 77.
The old fellas ride on.
They ride on, they do. Love them to bits. For me.
If you know a deserving New Zealander, nominate them at asbgoodasgold.co.nz.